This is a floor lamp with a remote control as well as a foot switch. It comes nicely packed with foam all around it. The first thing I did was take off all of the plastic outer part for the stand. There are 4 different sections of pipe for the post and then the lamp at the top. It's very easy to put together. You simply thread the screws together one at a time. There's an electrical cord that runs through the center of it. Once you hit the bottom post, there is a little eyelet that you can pull the excess cord out of just to make sure to be able to put that last piece of post in place. The base of the lamp is very heavy, and the hardest part for putting that on was getting the threads to catch, but once that was done, it was very easy to thread the rest. Once it was all together, I made sure all of the connections were tight. It comes with a remote control, but there are no batteries, so you need 2 AAA batteries for that remote control. Very easy to put those in. There's a foot switch, but you can also use the remote control to control it. You simply press the little Wi-Fi icon, hold it down until it blinks 3 times, and then it's connected. If you have more than one lamp, you can connect them to the same remote control using the same process to connect them. And then you can control both lamps with one remote control. You can choose between warm light, cool light, a blend between the two. You can also dim the lamps as well as brighten them through the remote control. And I really love the fact that you can customize your lighting to what suits you, as well as control both lamps with one remote control.